Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. Congratulations everyone, first of all, for the profits that you made on the gold US dollar. It gave fantastic moves in the past few months for the position traders as well. And right here, if you see, this was a very fantastic ABCD pattern. This is not yet completed. There was one other Fibonacci ABCD pattern right here, 61.8% retracement, and obviously this one got completed. So I also discussed this last week with all of you that this pattern is going to be completed right here, and if you see, the result is in front of us. I can fairly enough say that this ABCD pattern is now exactly completed. We have got, like, whenever we get a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement, what we do is we identify the impulsive leg on that particular one, and before that we have these bulls in the market. So once before that we have these bulls in the market and they gave this correction. On the basis of that, we got this pullback and this tradable move to the top side of the market. Then when it retraces back to 61.8% retracement, this was the move. And congratulations everyone, well done for holding the trade. Remember my friends, this profit you made because you waited for the market. I emphasize highly on everyone to just practice patience a little bit in your daily lives as well, other than forex. Like, for example, if you are driving a car, drive a little bit slowly. If you are going to work, just try to wake up 10 minutes early and drive the car slowly. Go reach to the office very peacefully. So this way you can bring patience in your life. Plus there are a lot of the other techniques which obviously I'm not going to discuss right now, but I do want to tell you, my friends, that please have some sort of a patience. And I am publicly saying right here, those who wait for the market, those who has a very fantastic level of understanding of the Fibonacci, the ABCD, or the Fibonacci extension, if I want to tell you. For example, this was the extension right here, and if we see 161.8 extension comes right here. So is this any rocket science? No, my friends. But we do lose money. Most of the traders lose money because traders are always right here about after the market, after the price, what the price is going to do right here. My friends, forget. If you are looking for the price to do right here, what are you going to do? Are you going to sell right here, or are you going to buy right here? If you are going to buy right here, well, do you think this is a buying level? Do you think market has gone this much up and now one will be buying right here? And now if one is selling right here, do you think we have any thing present on the chart that tells us that okay, sell the market right now? So stay with me. I'm going to discuss these things for all of you, and I'm sure enough by watching this video you will have a very clear idea about where the gold is most likely going to do next. So again, congratulations my friends, and again I'm so much thankful to you for your messages, for your kind messages, that you waited for the market and you made the profit. The profit was in terms of pips too much because the position traders this much patience. This is not just a random patience. From 30th of June till September, 3 months of wait. That is like only the I should say you guys are professionals. You hold these positions, and even when the market was giving us this again a retest of this particular support, I was live at that time. So even I discussed it previously as well. So when the market gave us this another extension, this was a retest of the Fibonacci zone. Again, the market took a very nice bullish rally from right here. And right now what I'm going to do is I am going to mark this as my support, and this will remain be a support for me as far as price is trading above this, right? And rest of the story of this other completion, this one, well, let me tell you that this is way too bigger, and this starts all the way from right here. So if we see, and if we do the Fibonacci thing, like 61.8% retracement is right here, while the 161.8 extension is pointing back to 161.8 around 3780. So obviously a big pull can come right here, but does that mean we are going to buy right here? No. Right, so let's count the number of candles. First of all, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 days ago the market was right here. It clearly broken this particular level right here. What I was advising, 1 2 3 4 5. So market exactly was previously right here. Let me highlight this particular area, and if we see it on the H4, this was that place where last week I was looking for the weekly traders to either wait for the market, don't sell right here, but to wait for the market to come back down to a Fibonacci level, and the Fibonacci level was approximately near 3370 3360. But obviously this is market, my friends. We cannot force it that hey market come back down, hit this 61.8% retracement so that we can buy you from right here. Buying from right here, well, I was not in favor of this, but no doubt if anyone bought right here upon this H1, I'm not sure how they bought it, but obviously the market gave a breakout, a retest, and this was the confirmation candle. Personally, I didn't bought from right here because I felt a little bit of risk right here. What after that? Obviously, remember my friends, we always need to wait for the market. We need to keep our emotions aside, just like right here when I was looking at the bullish side of the market. You will remember, if I find that place right here, when I was looking at the market as a bullish right here, that was obviously I'm not saying I don't do mistakes. I do mistake, I can be wrong as well. At the same time, market gave a retest of this previous zone and I took a buy on near 3360 right here. Initially it gave me profit. I was live and I have told you this, but when it stopped me out, after that then I became a seller from there till here back to 3280 and 3245, and I also let you trade this to the sell side of the market. But that situation was very different right here. Even the RSI situation back then was also very different. So this is us who has to decide whether we want to stay in the market for how long and for which type of correction do we need. Let's suppose if a stop loss is hit, then on this Fibonacci level, when the market continued down, we let it go. When it go back up, we took a sell from here. Similarly right here, most of the times, then right here we have seen, no doubt it was an impulsive wave, but when we get this Fibonacci, we took it over to the sell side of the market, 3126 back in May. So right here, what is going to happen right now, and this is very much important for most of the traders. Well, gold gave one fantastic trade opportunity during the week. Since this one I have already told you I was not interested, because right after the breakout, for some reason I don't like to trade like this. 3443 above this was also this zone of 3480. So I say okay, just let it go. And right here, if I tell you what market did after that, is it did this thing right here again, just like the previous week. It gave 50% retracement, but 61.8 was missing. But patiently waiting with my members and all that. So I was obviously patiently waiting for the market, and when the market gave me this particular rally right here, I discussed it with my members that hey, see, this is a 61.8% retracement, a level of 3511 3510 approximately. And if you see, there is sort of ABCD pattern completion right here. So the pattern is not yet exactly completed, but I say that okay, this is now completed. Now what's next? Obviously this is very much simple, and anyone who is, let's suppose, stuck from right here or who is stuck from below. First of all, I want to tell you, my friends, if you don't understand the forex market and if you don't understand the gold, then you can check the currency market. On the currency market, the markets are fairly easy enough. You can trade the euro dollar, you can trade the pound dollar as well, you can trade the dollar yen as well. Those structures are fairly decent enough, nice one as well, but they can give you profits, and even you can practice the ABCD strategy very nicely. Yesterday I did a weekly forecast, so if you are willing, you can check that out and you will understand it. Because if, let's suppose, like, this is a very brotherly advice I'm giving to all of you, okay? And this brotherly advice is, if one always try to trade the gold, but is not making enough profits out of it, is consistently losing, then obviously, my friends, that person or that trader either should quit trading, try to switch to the euro. Dollar is a very basic one. Now on the RSI scale, if we see this particular zone of level 80 right here, level 80, no doubt it is a very nice one. And right here, what I'm further expecting is, obviously at this stage no one is going to buy. Even if someone is going to buy, though they will be market makers. So as far as during the week, this trend line is right here with us, my friends, we will remain, not be doing anything. Maybe if we get a slight rejection from right here, it can be looked to the intraday side of the market, because if you see 61.8% retracement is at 3542.02, and if I do the Fibonacci extension, the extension will be showing me 161 somewhere above that zone right here. So well, it is also not a bad idea, but obviously everything needs confirmation. Let me show you some other time frames so that at least you get some sort of idea from the market. Now most of the traders are always say, okay, what the market is going to do right here? Is it going up? Oh my friend, why are you going to take a decision right here? First you have to prepare. Let's suppose I'm having 0.01, a small sell with SL right here, just for demonstration purposes, just to test my strategy. I took it, but I was prepared for it already, right? I was prepared for it. I also did one mistake because I was not prepared for that. And what mistake I did initially, gave on the intraday scale, gave profit of around 158 pips right here, but I said no, okay, I want to hold it back down to the ABCD pattern down below. So in that case, obviously the market reverses on me, stop me out. Then I traded this buy during the news as well, right? And I will suggest, don't trade during the news, because if you trade during the news, the chances are you can have multiple losses at the same time, because markets are not very much predictive at that time. But I just set the position before the news, give it an SL below 38.2 right here, somewhere 35, maybe 26 somewhere, and I can always control my lot sizes. Then there is a thing come that we have to deal with our lot sizes as well. I see people hold bigger lot sizes, and if you make if you lose even 100 pips, that will be like a $4,000 of a loss. Now I don't say $4,000 of a dollar is a big loss on an account of 300,000 or $400,000 of an account. But if you have only 10 to 15 or $20,000 of account, and you already lose 3,000 or 4,000 from one tiny stop loss, then my friend, how is it going to be further carried out? You will end up very soon, right? Just try to listen to me. Whatever I'm saying is, I'm saying it for your good sake, okay? If you make profit, that profit is yours. You will be enjoying your life, you will be buying good stuff for yourself. But if you lose money, obviously that pain is mine. Why? Because in these state of the art facilities and modern days, if one is keep losing in the forex market, despite of having the ABCD pattern strategy we have and the Fibonacci extension we have, then I think, my friend, obviously as a mentor I feel that pain in my chest, because I say, why this person is keep losing? Okay, by losing I mean consistently losing. Okay, I doesn't mean that I lost a trade right here, so I lost everything. Nah, that was not my everything. That was just a random part of trading. Then I recovered it back and I'm still holding 0.01 again. Okay, transparently I'm telling you, and it can go against me as well and stop me out, right? So I'm also not telling you to sell right here, because just stay with me and I'm going to clarify most of the things for all of you. We will be studying the structure. Without reading the structure we cannot go further. So let's have a look at it right here. And right here, if you see, a very fantastic level we have. I traded this as well. I just don't want to add that clip right here into the videos because I just don't want to prove anything. Okay, whatever it is, I'm every week telling you, and then the market is doing that same thing every week, repeating that same thing every week. This is the trader who has very lack of focus, lack of motivation on this particular strategy, or lack of understanding. See, the market keeps giving us structures. Market initially bounced off from right here, we did nothing. When it came back down right here, a very fantastic move. Similarly right here, 61.8% retracement. One can straight buy from here and one can wait for a confirmation. Both the confirmation traders and every trader take profit out of it. So the previous study right here, and that is obviously this ABCD pattern got completed last week, and obviously we have got a completion, a retest, and obviously the market gave us a breakout. So in the upcoming week, 34.70 and 34.43 is going to be a very super nice and fantastic level with us. And obviously this one played very nicely, but we also cannot ignore this particular trend line right here. As far as this gold is trading above this trend line on the H1, it will remain be bullish, my friend. Okay, either maybe it can give a slight pullback of around 400 pips from there, and it can also continue back up. It can create a double top up there. Then here comes in the importance of the market structure. Then one must understand the market structure. Well, what is the market structure? Everything I'm discussing is the market structure. All of these moves you see are market structure. What is this? For instance, let's have a look at this. Excluding Fibonacci for now, just keep Fibonacci apart for now. See, we have got a break of structure. Market came back down, a false retest. Why this false retest occur? Because there was this ABCD pattern right here, and 33.10 was my buy level. So 33.10 gave another 34.37 move. Then obviously this level again became a very good and nice and fantastic support with us. But who made profit? Those who make profit, who are always in patience, in less greed. Remember, my friend, this is a very cruel and dangerous market if not taken very seriously. So one level we have, and that is 35.60, 35.40 in the upcoming week. And ideally, personally, I will be looking to this side of the market. Now I'm not saying it is coming back down till here. I'm saying if it come back down here, I will try to find out potential buying opportunity for myself. Okay, and the level will be 35.05. so the level is not so far enough, and obviously I will be looking at it if during the week it give me a break below and then a retest of this same level, and then it will be showing me this. But maybe I will, it depends on the market structure. If it gives me good market structure, good confirmation right here, I can sell, right? And this particular one, if I show you, this is just on the basis of this tiny corrective wave on the 15-minute. So that's why I'm not suggesting a big sell from right here. Maybe on Monday open it will stop me out at break even. I was about to close, then I say okay, it is anyways a small position and there is also it's like a 0.01. So let it hit the break even stop, even if it is continuing going to bullish. Now let's suppose if it go and break out, we have a lot of the Fibonacci extensions, we have ABCD pattern. This one exactly will be completing near 3610. So from 3610 a bearish attack can happen, but if a breakout and a retest occur, then it is for sure continuing back to 3671. And similarly the all-time high 161.80, since the start of the year the bulls are taking it, that level comes near 3780.84. So my friends, if you understand this strategy, I am sure enough, even if you suffer from small SL hits, that will be very small, it will not cause you anything. As far as the market is trading above a trend line, we will be treating it as a bullish. If it drops, like right here, we do nothing. If it drops till here, give a nice rejection from here. We can during the week, since this is H1 time frame, we can during the week book some profits of around 100-200 pips from right here. If it gives us a breakout and a retest, we can again on the basis of a structure look for around 500 pips. This will be a bigger one. Okay, if we get a double top up there, still I think I'm not in favor of that. Even with divergence, I will not be in favor of that sell despite of the double top as well, right? Then if a double top is formed and then this trend line is broken, then obviously this 500 pips I can easily grab from the market, and you can easily grab from the market too, right? My friends, try to understand these markets. Okay, these are very dangerous market. If you don't understand the gold structures, if this is too much advanced for you, you can there are a lot of these other instruments, you can look at them. The structures are very easy on this one, so you can obviously trade them as well. You can check my weekly forex forecast video, and you will clearly get the understanding of this particular strategy and this analysis as well. So I hope you guys make lots and lots of profit, and you guys stay happy. Don't forget this level. Okay, when it will be dropping, just don't blindly sell. Okay, just don't blindly sell. Even last week I said from right here that don't blindly sell, just wait for buy level. So if we didn't get a buy level, no problem, we get a buy level from here on the basis of our strategy. Remember, discipline is the key. If we follow our strategy, it will be giving us profits again and again and again. Okay, take a lot of care of yourself. See you next time. Goodbye.